guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video, as you all have seen the title, it is about अश्वगंधा. So मैंने अश्वगंधा कंज्यूम करना स्टार्ट किया. So it was from the 1st of March since I started consuming it, and this was the first time in my life I started consuming अश्वगंधा. तो उसके जो रिजल्ट्स हैं वो आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी, सो दैट इफ़ यू आर समवन हु wants to make a habit of consuming ashwagandha, then you can start. So let's get started. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, and now let's get started. You can get ashwagandha even online and even in medical stores, like normal medical stores, वहाँ पे भी आपको मिल सकता है. And मैंने जो खरीदा, that was from a normal medical store. So this is the bottle that I bought, and I got it for 90 rupees. So the name of the bottle is Ashwagandhari Churna, and इस पे लिखा है कि it helps to maintain vitality and stamina. The videos that I watched on YouTube, it was mentioned that if men have testosterone problems, so you can use it. So I think that is why it is written on this bottle also about stamina, but I'm not sure about it. But yeah, the other benefits I'm definitely sure about it, so we'll discuss about those benefits. So this is a 50-gram bottle, and what I used to do is I used to take 1 spoon of this powder. So I'll show you all how the powder looks like. Okay, so this is how the powder this is how the powder looks like. Okay, so it is brown in color, and it actually smells like horse. That is why the name ashwagandha is given to this product. If you know that there is one more powder that is called as काम चूर्ण, तो उसका कलर, उसका टेक्सचर एंड उसका स्मेल इज सेम लाइक दिस अश्वगंधा, बट दोनों के फ़ायदे डिफरेंट हैं. And yeah, this is what the bottle is about. And so I used to, in the start, I used to consume this powder with milk, warm milk, after my dinner. But then after few days I started consuming it with hot water. So it's completely up to you. You can either consume it with hot milk or warm milk with honey, because iska taste is little bit not that good. So if you want to mask the taste of this powder, then you can consume it with sweetener, that is honey or sugar or whatever you want. But मैंने with warm water, I used to consume this 1 teaspoon every night while going to sleep. And mostly it is recommended to consume it in the night because of the following benefits, which I'll be sharing with you all. So that is why it's recommended to consume in the night, but you can consume it whenever you want. Okay, so my course started from 1st of March and it ended on 31st of March. Like, I'm no more consuming this powder. So yeah, so first benefit I got from this was, like, I was facing insomnia thing. I used to not get sleep. So one of my friend, he kind of suggested me a tablet which was made of this powder, ashwagandha powder. But you know, instead of the tablet, I thought, like, why shouldn't I consume the powder? So yeah, so I was facing insomnia because of many reasons. Like, I had hormonal imbalance also, so that was one of the reason why I was facing insomnia. So in the start, like for first 5 days, I didn't find any positive result. I was still facing insomnia, and I was like, I think I should have bought that tablet which my friend recommended instead of buying this powder. But then after 5-6 days, but I didn't stop consuming the powder. So I just kept on continuing with this, and I think by the end of 8th or 9th day, I started getting good sleep. Like, the insomnia thing just got disappeared. And you know, because of lack of sleep, I had puffy eyes. I have puffy eyes now also, but my eyes were very puffy, and I had very, you know, dark circles. They were very dark and prominent. So since I started getting good sleep, the dark circles have got lighter, and yeah, my insomnia thing just got cured. So yeah, if you are facing insomnia, then I think you should start consuming ashwagandha. So second benefit I got was like good digestion. So I wasn't facing indigestion problems, but then I was a little bit facing my stomach was bloated most of the times. But since in the night I started consuming this powder with warm water, I that the bloated stomach just got disappeared and the indigestion problems got cured. So for if you have digestion problems, you should start consuming this. So I came across various YouTube videos in which people were saying कि height बढ़ाने के लिए you should consume ashwagandha, but then I actually don't know how much beneficial it is क्योंकि like I did measure my height but I didn't find that much difference or something, even though I consumed it every day. So I don't know how much it helps in height growth. So I won't say कि if you want a good height or if you want to increase your height, you should start consuming ashwagandha, because I don't have any proof. And other thing is, if you're doing some physical exercises or if you're undergoing any training and if you're consuming this powder, then I think there are some benefits that would affect your growth hormones and you'll find increase in your height. But I have no clue about height thing. It's not even scientifically proven कि ashwagandha increases your height, so I don't know. So I'm not height increase is like I'm not sure about it, so I won't say anything about this topic. The next benefit I would talk about is it is a great stress reliever. So if you are undergoing any stress or depression, or if you have chaotic or very restless life or a very busy day, then I think you should definitely try this. Because at the end of the day, whenever you consume this powder, you just get that sukoon wali neend, and the next day again you're stress free and you're just ready to take whatever challenge comes on your way. So yeah, and matlab whatever depression, whatever stress you had yesterday, you're just totally relieved from it. So that is why for stress reliever this is a must. So just give it a try. It is said by nutritionists that you should not fall in the habit of consuming it for a very long period of time. Yani ki maximum time you can consume it is for 2.5 months or 3 months maximum. Uske baad you should stop. You should not fall in the habit. So I think you should also do that. And mine is like मेरा powder almost खत्म होने को आया है, तो maybe I'll just finish this powder instead of just keeping it in my home, and after that I won't consume it unless and until it's needed. But taking a break from this is necessary. Yeah guys, that was it for today's video. This is ashwagandha, and if you want to try it, just give it a try. And don't forget to share your results, because I got amazing results, so why just don't you also try. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I post content over there as well. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.